Right, ladies and gentlemen, say hi, monkey. Hi, Paul. Hi, monkey. Hi, Paul. Just a quick greenhouse catch-up. It's just started sowing some seeds last week, so you can just see up here, it still needs tidying now. All this mess on here. Then under here, these are my lights that I normally use. But unfortunately, with the cost of electricity, I'm trying to keep off using them at the moment. And yeah, I'm going to be getting a wood burning stove. I'm going to be fitting that just there where the mirror is, and putting the exhaust through the top there where the fan is. So yeah, these are my little heated propagators, homemade. I have thermostat there, digital, with a sensor in here. Just get this, get hold of it, and then if we just take the top off like so. Let's have a look. They've only been in here a couple of days, but I don't know if you can just see. We are already getting some growth, some seed germination, just there and there, which is great. That one just there. So yeah, I have in here the carnations and petunias, brilliant. So those are starting really well. Press that lid back on. So we've got the sun, folks. Then here in this one we have geums and geraniums. And these are already starting to germinate. There's not, you can just see that on there. Just there, just starting to germinate, which is brilliant in there. And then if you just go around to this one, it's my little experiment. This is my Arboretia, 3 different types of compost. I have Miracle Grow multi-purpose, J. Arthur's multi-purpose, and Koya, it's peat free. Well, they're all peat free. And I have some growth just in the middle there. I don't know if you can just see those. Just there, some young plants. So they seem to be doing really well at the moment. Then if you just spin round, these are the windows I put in. Just put some guttering up. And today I'm going to be doing these as well. We have Polyanthus Lodge flowers and then some Veronicas. So yeah, that's how things going in my greenhouse. Just need to tidy under here as well, because it's a right mess. But I'm so glad that I divide this bench in half. I can get in there now. I can work on both sides. One half for potting, one half for my propagators. If you've got any questions about anything growing, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody. Say bye, monkey. Bye, Paul. Bye, monkey.